I want to share something profound with you today. You don't have to try, you don't have to hope, and you certainly don't have to wait. What you desire is already here. You must simply realize that it is yours now. You see, the delay you experience is a creation of your own mind. Time is not an obstacle. It is your perception of time that holds you back. The first step in shifting your experience is understanding that your desires are already here. They're not something in the future, not something to wait for. We often live under the illusion that manifestation is about time. I will get it eventually, we say. But the truth is, your desires are a part of you, they are already woven into your existence. It's simply about realizing that they exist now, in this very moment. When you shift your mindset to truly believe that what you desire is already present, you stop the delay. Think about it, when you think of something you truly desire, your mind might tell you that it's coming soon, or in time. But that very thought, that belief, is what creates the gap between you and your manifestation. If you think it's coming later, your experience of life aligns with that belief. You hold your desire at arm's length, always a little too far away to grasp. But once you understand that your desire is already here, that the moment you have the desire is the moment it exists, everything changes. You don't need to hope that things will change. Hope is a state of uncertainty, a belief that something may or may not happen. Instead, you need to know. Knowing means that you have no doubt about your desire's arrival. It means understanding, at a deep level, that the world is already shaping itself around your desires. You are not waiting for something to happen. It's happening now. Now, let's talk about how this works. To truly manifest without delay, you must feel your desire as if it has already been fulfilled. The feeling is the key. Feeling is what aligns your reality with your desires. When you feel that what you want is already yours, when you stop feeling the need for it and instead feel as though it has already arrived, you are in the vibration of your manifestation. Your emotional state, your belief, your conviction, all of these must align. The secret here is that your subconscious mind doesn't know the difference between what is real and what is imagined. The emotions you feel when you think about your desire, the images you hold in your mind, they all influence the reality you experience. So, to manifest without delay, you must feel as though your desires are already here. This is how the law of attraction works. Your emotions and beliefs dictate your experience of the world. Most people create a delay because they still believe they are waiting for something outside of themselves to change. They are looking for a sign, waiting for the universe to do something. But the universe doesn't need to do anything. You are the creator. Your beliefs, your thoughts, your feelings are what shape the world around you. Once you realize that, you will see how easy it is to manifest instantly. When you feel your desire deeply and truly believe that it is already in your life, you will witness a shift in your outer reality. There is no waiting. There is no gap. There is no time delay. This is why so many people experience sudden changes in their lives, because they stopped waiting and began acting from the belief that it is already here. Understand this, time is a construct. It is only as real as you make it. The moment you stop living in the future and start living in the present, your desires come to you effortlessly. When you live in the state of knowing that what you want is already yours, the universe has no choice but to deliver it. This is why people who live in certainty see their manifestations happen so quickly. They don't see the delay. They see the manifestation unfolding in the present. If you want to manifest without delay, stop worrying about how and when it will happen. Trust that it's already done. Allow the feeling of your desire being fulfilled to take over your thoughts, your emotions, and your actions. Feel gratitude for your desire as though it has already come to pass. In doing so, you align yourself with the state of being that attracts your desires effortlessly. This isn't about trying harder or wishing more. It's about realizing that you already have everything you want right now. Your thoughts are the key. They shape your reality. If you want to manifest quickly, start thinking and feeling as though you already have your desire. Stop creating a distance between you and what you want. Know that you have it now, and the universe will move to make it so. You might ask, but how do I know if my desire is really here? The answer is simple: feel it. When you know something deeply, when you feel it in every cell of your being, there is no need to question its existence. You already know it's there, just as you know your own name. When you reach that level of certainty, manifestation happens with ease. This is the secret: your desires are not separate from you. They are not something distant or far away. They are a part of you, waiting for you to realize that they already exist in your experience. The only thing standing between you and your desire is your belief in time, your belief that you need to wait for it to come. When you release that belief, you collapse the gap, and your desires are instantly present. Take a moment and ask yourself, what would it feel like if I knew that everything I want is already here? Imagine living in that state every single day. Imagine waking up with the certainty that everything you desire is already a part of your experience. How would you move through your day? What would you think? How would you feel? This is the state of manifestation, the state of knowing. You may have heard others speak of manifesting quickly, and wondered why it works for them but not for you. The difference is not in the effort, but in the belief. When you believe that your desires are already here, you don't need to wait for them. You live in the present moment, fully aligned with the reality you wish to create. Now, this brings us to the importance of belief. Belief doesn't mean that you intellectually understand something. Belief means that you feel, with every fiber of your being, that it is true. Your belief must be unwavering, because when you believe something with complete certainty, your reality begins to shift. This is why the most successful manifestors are those who are able to maintain their beliefs, even when things seem uncertain on the surface. The outer world may look like it hasn't shifted yet, but if you continue to believe, you will see results. Note, the external world is simply a reflection of your internal state. A helpful exercise is to visualize your desires as if they have already materialized in your life. Don't just visualize them from a distant perspective, feel them as though they are happening now. When you engage your senses in your imagination, whether it's the feeling of something in your hands, the sounds associated with your desire, or even the emotions of joy, pride, or peace that come with having your desire, you bring your manifestation closer. These sensory experiences serve to anchor your desire in your present moment, and by doing so, you eliminate the need for time to work against you. The idea of time is something many people struggle with. We tend to think that things take time to manifest because that is how we've been conditioned to think. However, time only appears to be an obstacle when you treat it as one. You can speed up the manifestation process by stepping out of the linearity of time and placing your focus entirely on the present moment. When you stop viewing the future as a separate entity from the now, you eliminate the time delay. Your desires are not in the future, they are happening right now. So, let go of the idea that you are waiting for something to happen. Stop trying to manifest. Stop hoping. Instead, know that what you desire is already yours, and begin living from that knowledge. The universe is always responding to your thoughts and feelings, and when you live in alignment with your desires, the delay disappears. The power to manifest is within you. Your desires are already a part of your reality. You don't need to wish for them, hope for them, or wait for them. You simply need to realize that they are already here. And when you do, you will see how quickly everything starts to unfold in your favor. This is the key to creating the life you desire. The moment you stop creating separation between you and your desires, the delay disappears. The world will respond to you, not because you waited for it, but because you knew it was already yours. And that is how you manifest without delay. Take a moment now and feel what it would be like if everything you desired was already in your life. How would you feel? What do you think? That feeling is the secret to instant manifestation. Live in that state, and watch how quickly the universe rearranges itself to bring your desires into your reality. The delay is over. Your desires are already here. It's time to manifest now.